Hi Vibers! Welcome to my Vibe. I'm Teacher K, your K Vibes on the go, bringing positivity and passion every day and everywhere. Quick educational vibe tayo today. Pag-usapan natin ang madalas nating nakikita sa mga signage pero minsan nakakalito. Ano nga ba ang difference ng for rent and for lease? First, for rent. Kapag for rent, usually short-term usage. Pwedeng daily, weekly, or monthly, like rooms, apartments, tricycles for hire, or equipment. Flexible siya at mas madaling i-end kapag ayaw mo na. Next, for lease. Ito naman, long-term agreement. Usually may contract na 1 year or more. Perfect for business spaces, buildings, or long-term housing. Mas formal, mas detailed ang terms. So, simple lang. Kung pang mabilis ang stay at flexible setup, for rent. Kung matagal ang commitment naman, for lease. It's a wrap! Thanks for vibing with me today. This is Teacher K, spreading K vibes every day, everywhere. Don't forget to like, share, and keep the good vibes alive. Toodaloo!